sealed trunk build.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. So I do a lot of YouTube videos, JacobViral. How y'all doing?
I watch your videos.
Oh, okay.
Man, love them.
Thank you for watching.
So I got 2 DC level 5 15s in a sealed trunk build. And then I got 3 Odyssey Group 31s and a Chrysler 8K for the subs and a Phoenix Gold 1226 for the fronts.
Very nice. Looked like you really sealed it off. Nice job. I like it.
Fiberglass, the whole thing.
Wow.
Yeah, it was a lot of work. Had to build the box in the trunk.
Okay.
Yeah, it was sick.
What's your box cubic space and tuning, if you know?
It's right about 5.5 cubes. Okay. So it's a little smaller.
Yeah.
But I can run, less or more. This is a little overpowered for the subs.
Yeah.
But it handles it really nice.
Do you have a output alternator? Oh, yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, I got a Ohio Gen 370 amp. And then I got dual runs from that to the center. I mean, I can turn the gain up, but I mean, everything then just starts working really hard.
Yeah.
So
you keep it clean, no issues, no distortion, no clipping. What was your name?
Spencer.
Spencer. All right, Spencer, man. I'm gonna go. Is there a way I can see the back, the box and all? Yeah. Just so I can see how it looks. Very nice. Did this actually build in or did it slide in?
I had to build it in.
Okay.
Yeah, it was tough.
Yeah, I see you got a little bracing there to keep it solid.
Yeah, so I got bracing here, one here, and then one through the side.
Okay.
Just kind of keep it all in, and then the whole entire inside is fiberglass on all the corners.
Wow.
Yeah.
I see it. You did a lot of work. Nice job, man. Oh yeah. All right. Yeah, man. Love to hear it. Yes, sir. I'm ready when you are. That gives a good bandwidth and it plays a little low actually. Yeah, like it didn't even unload. I like that, man. Very nice.
I mean, I can turn the gain up, but I mean, everything then just starts working really hard.
Yeah.
So I
keep it clean, no issues, no distortion, no clipping.
Nothing at all, man.
Good voltage, not bad, man. Appreciate the demo. What was your name?
Spencer.
Spencer. All right, Spencer. Man. A lot of work. Nice job, man.
Thank you.